This 2020 Tiffin Wayfarer 25RW is a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 25 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV, slide-out, water heater, refrigerator, air conditioning, skylight, TV antenna, stovetop burner, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2020 Tiffin Wayfarer 25RW is built on a Mercedes chassis and is powered by a Mercedes engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.